Slow cooker, teriyaki chicken. This is pretty good and easy when you're trying to do extra. For your sides, I did this with homemade egg rolls and chicken fried rice. Cut up 2 pounds of chicken and put in your slow cooker. For easy pour with your honey whale what you are measuring it with. This time I combined 2 different honeys. I will show you here. A total of 1/2 cup of honey. Add this to a medium-sized bowl. See how easily it comes out. Then add 1/4 cup of water. Next, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 of a cup of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, ground ginger or diced ginger. Works fine too. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar or white vinegar. 2 tablespoons diced garlic. Whisk well. Pour this over your chicken in the slow cooker. Cook on high for 4 to 6 hours or on low for 6 to 8 hours. Just check it after the minimum time to see. If it's at temperature 165 F. When this is done, scoop majority of the liquid into a pot. Whisk in 3 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken your sauce. Bring to a simmer over medium-low heat. Whisk together well. If you are worried about it being lumpy, whisk some. Liquid from the slow cooker in a separate bowl with the cornstarch. Then add to your remaining liquid. Simmer until it thickens, then add back to your slow cooker. It's optional, but we add a sprinkle of sesame seeds on top. I do most of this in the beginning of the day, so I have time to prep for my sides. I have an egg roll video posted. Go check it out. Chicken fried rice video coming soon.